You're trying to impress her. Nah, let's flip the script. It's time she starts chasing you. Ever sent a message and waited, hoping she'll reply? You keep checking your phone every few seconds, thinking maybe you missed the notification. Your heart races with every buzz, only to find it's just another spam email. Yeah, that's not how this works. The more you wait, the more anxious you get, and that anxiety shows. It's a vicious cycle that doesn't end well. You see, the biggest mistake guys make is acting like a puppy chasing after her attention. It's not about being desperate or overly eager. That just pushes her away. Spoiler alert. Puppies are cute, but they don't get the girl. Confidence is key. Show her you have a life, interests, and passions. Be the guy who's worth her time, not the one who's always waiting for her to make his day. Think James Bond is blowing up her phone? No, he's out there living his best life. Confidence isn't about proving yourself. It's about knowing you already have something to offer. When you're busy building your empire, she'll want to be part of it. Here's a little economics lesson for you. The scarcer the resource, the more valuable it becomes. This principle applies not just to economics, but to human interactions as well. Stop being available 24/7. Constant availability can actually decrease your perceived value. If you're always there, she knows she's got you on lock. There's no mystery, no excitement. But if you're a little harder to get, if you create a sense of scarcity around your time and attention, now that's when the chase begins. The intrigue, the curiosity, the desire to know more about you, it all starts to build up. So, what do? Focus on you. Start by looking in the mirror and recognizing your own worth. Hit the gym, not just to look good, but to feel good. Your goals, your health, your passions. Run in the park to clear your mind. Cook healthy meals to nourish your body. Play the guitar to feed your soul. Be the guy who doesn't need her validation, and trust me, she'll feel it. Walk past with confidence, smile with your friends, and let your energy speak for itself. It's the guy who doesn't beg for attention that gets it. Ignore those phone notifications and immerse yourself in a good book at a cozy cafe. The moment you stop chasing is the moment she starts. Walk away with confidence and watch as she starts to notice you from a distance. Your self-assuredness is magnetic. And remember, if you're chasing, you're losing. But if you're building yourself up, she's the one who'll be running after you. If you're ready to become the guy she can't resist, hit that subscribe button now and join the Dr. Badass movement.